KATC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hope everyone had a wonderful weekend, especially the dads on this Father's Day, as we had those passing showers. Hopefully that didn't run into those outdoor activities that you had planned for Dad. Maybe you were still able to get the grill in between some of those passing showers and fire up and make some wonderful suppers this evening. But it does look like moving into Monday, we're going to have more opportunities to see scattered showers and a few thunderstorms throughout the day. And that could even continue in the Tuesday and Wednesday before we finally see that tropical moisture begin to move out of the Gulf and start to things quiet down towards the second half of the work week. Taking a look on the satellite narrator earlier this afternoon, you can see those showers and storms that quickly pushed across the region, coming from the southeast out of the Gulf and then pushing off to the northwest. And these systems were moving at about 25 miles per hour. So that's why we had those very gusty winds out ahead of the systems. And that's what produced numerous tree limbs to fall down across the Acadiana. But you can see things have now pretty much quieted down across the region. We do just have the clouds around, and that's going to continue through the overnight hours, along with the chance for a few more hit or miss showers. As you can see, opening this up, we do have more shower activity just off the Gulf Coast, and so some of that could move shore after the overnight hours. I would say around 3-4 o'clock in the morning. I wouldn't be surprised if some of our coastal communities are seeing some rain showers pushing in across the area, and then that will continue pretty much the same story all throughout our Monday as we continue to have this large area of tropical moisture in the western Gulf of Mexico. And you can really see that well on the tropical enhanced satellite. You can see all that moisture that produces scattered showers and storms today. Still a good bit of it now making its way out here. That'll swing a little bit more off to the west, but it'll bring us a chance for more showers on our Monday. And then we have another wave that's now making its way across the Yucatan. That'll kind of connect with this system and head towards the Texas coast, where they could be seeing the real heavy rains. But it does look like we'll continue to see our good rounds of scattered showers. So through the model, you can see staying dry for the next couple hours, but through the overnight, especially south of the interstate, you'll have the chance for some of those hit or miss showers, especially maybe down towards Morgan City, over towards Vermilion Parish, and over into Cameron. Heading closer to daybreak as we head back to work, we could have some wet roadways as 1 or 2 showers might be around the area. And then as we head towards the late morning hours, that's when we'll see better activity starting to fire up across much of Acadiana and continue throughout the afternoon. This model kind of paints a similar picture around 3 a.m. Some showers pushing onshore, mainly south of the interstate, and waking up tomorrow morning over towards Lake Charles and down towards Cameron, maybe a little better chance to see some of those heavier showers. Most of us then beginning to see that move onshore during the afternoon. You can see by 3 o'clock could have a decent round of scattered showers and storms. We'll go overall 70% chance to see rain at some point tomorrow, but just about any hour we'll go about 30-40% chance for those hit or miss showers, continuing even through the overnight hours into Tuesday morning. But again, the bulk of the moisture staying farther down to the south and over towards Texas, where Corpus Christi could really start to see some of the heavier rains line up. And then continuing into Tuesday afternoon, we could see our share of rain showers. So rainfall totals locally look to be relatively on the low side, maybe only about an inch for many locations. But you do see down towards Cameron, they might see some areas get up in those higher amounts. I don't know if they'll necessarily see 8 inches, but I wouldn't be surprised to see some isolated spots that maybe get 2 to 4 inches. Better chance to see the higher amounts from Houston down to Corpus Christi through all the way into about Wednesday. So a cloudy and muggy night with coastal showers developing late throughout the day. Scattered showers and storms for our Monday. Otherwise cloudy and humid. 86 for the high. 70% chance for that rain all throughout the day. Little lower rain chances Tuesday and the Wednesday, but still a decent chance. And then heading into the latter part, starting to warm up again, lower 90s with lower rain chances only down to around those stray shower activities during the afternoon.
All right, thanks.